In the land of sunshine and sophistication, amid the lush rows of grapevines, there's an adventure of taste and discovery awaiting. Picture yourself savoring a glass of California's finest, surrounded by the beauty of the vineyards. Today, we're embarking on an Epicurean journey to discover the best California wine tours, tailored for those who appreciate the finer sips in life. Dear enophiles, I'm your guide through a world where the tales are told in notes of oak and hints of berry. From the inviting wineries of Los Angeles to the breathtaking valleys of Napa and Sonoma, we'll unveil California wine tours packages designed for pure enjoyment. California's vinicultural roots sink deeply into history, leading to a flourishing industry abloom with distinction and diversity. Let's uncork the bygone tales of these hallowed grounds and appreciate how they've shaped today's world-renowned winemaking. Within the pulsing heart of Los Angeles lies the historic San Antonio Winery. Offering a premium wine flight for $30, this century-old landmark invites you to partake in a chapter of La's rich winemaking saga. For a touch of modernity, consider the Angelino Wine Company, where tastings begin at $25. Here, sustainable practices meet artisanal expression, offering a forward-looking perspective on La's wine evolution. Malibu, where the sea breeze meets viticulture. Immerse yourself in the boutique charm of Malibu Wines and Beer Garden. For $35, enjoy the curated selection of wines while embracing the coastal ambience. Venture into the heart of Ojai Valley, where wine connoisseurs find solace and sophistication. At the Ojai Vineyard and Topa Mountain Winery, specialized private tastings starting around $40 offer a true taste of local terroir. Embrace the magic of Santa Barbara's wine country, a cool climate gem for Pinot Noir and Chardonnay admirers. The urban wine trail to the vine-wrapped hills of Santa Ynez Valley offers tastings from $30 to $50, each a toast to excellence. Temecula Valley welcomes you with its Mediterranean allure. Passionate vintners, like those at Akash Winery and Dofo Wines, host tours and tastings starting at $35, inviting you into a world of indulgence and warm gatherings. Beyond its renowned attractions, Orange County uncorks an impressive wine scene. With private tastings at scenic vineyards like Laguna Canyon and McLean Cellars, priced around $40, you'll find a peaceful retreat in the embrace of luxury. Chart a course to Oceanside for a treasure trove of quaint wineries. Kuma Craft Wines offers a bespoke experience from $25, where the bounty of Californian soils is transformed into liquid artistry. Journey southward to the emerging Baja California wine tours, where the Mexican sun infuses each grape with zest and life. Starting from about $50, you can dive into a cross-cultural viticultural escapade that's both exotic and familiar. Imagine a wine tour sculpted to your very tastes. With California Wine Tours' customizable options, the power of personal preference is in your hands. Craft a journey that's as unique as your palate. Our vintage voyage across California's wine regions is nearing its end, but the journey for your senses is just beginning. From the heritage-rich estates of Los Angeles to the serene vineyards of Napa, Sonoma, and beyond, every stop is a destination waiting to captivate and enchant. Embark on your best California wine tour adventure today. Visit our website to tailor your tour to perfection. May your glass always be half full, till we meet again on another tasteful journey. Cheers, my friends. With heartfelt gratitude, we bid you farewell for now. Thank you for joining us on this delectable adventure. Remember to subscribe for more enticing explorations into the world of wine. Until our next rendezvous, keep exploring, keep tasting, and keep enjoying every moment.